Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. I'm going to try doing this video without the microphone. I don't understand the whole camera deal, but here we go. I was moving things around looking for something. Yeah, I was looking for something. Because I was working on a project, you're always looking for something. And I stumbled across a stack of magazines. These are either old ones that are no longer being made, or they are duplicates that I have. So I used to really like Popular Woodworking. It had a lot of good articles in it, like this one here on chisels, and another one on foreplanes and the mid-century workbench, etc. And then there was American Woodturner, Wood Magazine, a whole bunch of wood magazines, bunch of those. And then some fine woodworking. These are duplicates. If you want these magazines, you can have them. Just pay the postage. It's about £5. Just leave me a comment that you want the magazines. Send me your address via email, which is in my about information, or I will reply to your comment that you want the magazines, and this is a first come gets it. So, like, subscribe, and share. Walter out. Oh, by the way, let me know how the audio was if I'm standing here or if I'm at the workbench. How's the audio here without a microphone? And I'm not yelling. I would rather speak a little bit lower, something like about this. Let me know. Walter out.